Hi, today I'll be making hydrangea, a beautiful flower. The material required are blue and green crepe paper, a thick wire, a thin wire, green floral tape, blue floral tape, and blue headed pips. Cut stencils according to the patterns given. All the measurements are in centimeters. This is of a petal. Cut 4 petals per flower. This is of a leaf. Cut as many as you want, minimum at least 2 leaves. First we take a bit of the blue tape, blue floral tape, cut a piece of it and then cut it in the center horizontally. So you have 2 pieces like this. Then take the pip strand and cut it in half. Take the thin wire also and put the pip on the wire with the head just above the thin wire. Now apply a little glue, a little dab of glue on the wire, just on the top, and then take the blue tape that we just cut and wind it around both the wire and the pip strand. So holding the head, wind the blue tape round the wire. And glue the end. Like this. Now take the petal and with the help of a scissors just curve the petal a little bit like this. Then apply glue on the petal. And stick the petal on the pip with the head just above the curve of the petal like this. Press it so that it sticks well. Now take another petal, the second petal, curve it again. And stick this on the first petal, overlapping at least half of the first petal like this. And similarly I have stuck the other 2 petals, so we have 4 petals like this forming a flower. Now you take the blue tape again and cut about 2 inches, 2.5 inches long strip. Stretch it, apply glue and wind this from the base of the flower till the end of the wire. This is how it looks. Now open out the petals, press them out gently so into shape like this. I have made 3 other petal flowers like this. Now we're going to put them together. So take a bit of green tape, stretch it and apply glue on it. Now holding the 4 flowers together, wind the base with the green tape. This is how it will look with the green tape. Just position the flowers a bit, open them out like this. Now you make more bunches like this. After we've made all the bunches of flowers, put them together to form a circle on the top like this, and put a thick wire in the center like this, and then tie everything together. Now take a bit of tissue paper, fold it in half twice like this, apply glue on it, and wind this round the thick wire, starting from the base of the green area till the end of the wire, to however long you want the stems to be. And this is how it will look. Now we take the leaves. First you have to score in the leaves, because the leaves of this flower has very deep veins, so score in the center and then score on the sides like this. Now apply some glue on the white paper, on the tissue paper that we put, and wrap the green floral tape on it. Then take a leaf and put it on the stem and wrap the tape around it. Hydrangea has leaves, opposite leaves, so you have to put both the leaves together like this. And this is how your hydrangea will look.